So this is a road. This is clearly not the road. Turns out we were going the completely wrong way. Why does this always happen to us?
Wow, that's a cool little point, isn't it?
Yeah,
Eh?
we take a picture.
Yeah, let's take a picture. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Nusa Penida and we are going to Tembeling Springs.
It's a bit sketchy to get there apparently by motorbike, but I think we've done sketchier roads, so should be a piece of pie.
Should be a piece of Christmas pie and we're going to give it a go.
Yeah.
We've had some brekkie. We're still in the same place as we were in all of our recent videos.
In G Sweet Homes.
Yep.
And yeah, we'll see you there.
Yeah.
It's actually quite hard getting to Tembeling Forest and Springs, especially when you take the way we've taken. It's literally a little dirt road through the forest. Yeah, not what we were expecting, but you know, adventurous. Okay, so this is a road. This is clearly not the road. How are you?
Yeah, motocross in a bloody motocross.
Yamaha Lexi.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
Made it.
this is how much further we have to go. We could have gone through this lovely little town here, which probably had a normal road.
Yeah.
But, you know, we took the shorter route because Google Maps says it's the shorter route.
Is that a car route as well, does it say?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it says that's a car route.
Cars can go down this way, apparently. So, guys, turns out we were going the completely wrong way. The way we were going, we would have to do a 10-hour hike through the forest. 1 hour, sorry, 1 hour. So this guy is taking us to the car park where you only have to wait, well, walk 10 minutes to get to Tembeling Springs. So yeah, I don't know what the hell happened, but I guess it's a godsend. Thank you, man. Wow, that was wild.
To full, 10 minutes.
10 minutes from here.
Yeah,
Makasih.
Yeah, let me give you some money as well for finding us.
thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh
Oh my god, that guy is so nice. That guy was the best, honestly. He saved our life. He has no idea. We were going the wrong way for, well, the whole time basically.
And he came and just randomly drove next to us and said, where are you going? We said Tembeling Springs. He was like, no, not this way. You have to go for so long to get to it. And then he came and picked us up. We gave him some money, we gave him 50k because he essentially took, I thought he was coming down here for some reason, but he just drove off and just gone. So
Yeah, and he said, oh, do you want me to walk? Oh, do you want me to walk you the rest of the way?
I know, and we said no.
And we were like, oh god, no, he must have something better to do than to show us numpties where to go.
What a lovely guy.
We came the wrong way the whole time.
I know, he must have been following us for a little bit, trying to figure out where we were going.
Yeah, I mean, these are the stairs now. I think most people said that
The drive was mental.
you know, when we went down the little wooden path, you know, there was another road to the left, wasn't there?
Yeah.
That's the road people normally come down, I think, to get here, and I think it's a normal road. He had to take us that way because
We had come from that
we
way.
had come from that way.
Shit.
Oh my god, what a way to start the day, honestly. Why does this always happen to us?
If you come into Nusa Penida, one thing I will say is forget what anyone says on Google about any of the reviews because it's all lies. They always say, oh yeah, it's not that bad, it's not that bad, and it is. And thankfully, we've been driving motorbikes in Asia and obviously Bali for quite a long time now. So
You're an expert
I feel like
driver.
I feel like we're quite confident with driving. But if you weren't,
oh my goodness.
if you weren't confident, you would not be able to go down half of the road. I personally think, and that's not me saying I'm a good driver. I'm just saying it's approach with caution is all I'm saying.
Also, one thing I just thought of, where you're staying, always check with the owner which pathway is best
Yeah,
road is
because
best to drive on.
they obviously know 10 times better than Google does.
We've taken the wrong way so many times, and it was the worst types of road, and there were actually easier options to go down. They're just a little bit longer.
Yeah.
They're more of a detour.
Yeah, Nusa Penida is the gift that keeps on giving.
Yeah, I mean, after all our trials and tribulations during our time here, it is always worth it when we get to our destination. And there we go. Enjoy and relax at Tembeling Beach and Forest.
Beautiful.
We're doing so.
Yeah, that's well nice, isn't it? Wow, that pool is well, like, I reckon it'd be well clear if it wasn't, like...
Yeah, I think that's what Ryan said about how normally it's cleaner.
The guy who owns our villa / hotel, he was saying that recently, don't know whether it was December this year or December last year, they had a massive flood.
Yeah,
So-
December 2021 I think it was.
So all the pools, basically it's a bit of a, it's
There
not
was
as
a
clean
flood,
as what it
wasn't
used to
there?
be. Yeah, it was
so
a flood.
There's loads of, just vegetation, washed up vegetation I guess.
Yeah. It's
But,
just,
I mean, it does not take away from it.
no,
you
not at
know?
all. I mean, that's insane.
It looks incredible.
Look at the blue water.
Oh, look at this thing.
I wonder if this is all filled with water at some point.
No.
It's Tembeling Beach and Forest. Pretty cool.
Loo up there as well.
Huh?
This place has a loo.
Donation only as well.
Oh, really?
Go on the swings if you want.
Yeah, we'll do.
Go on in, honey.
Now?
Yeah, get on him.
Alright. Wow, well this isn't a bad spot, is it, Princess Leia?
Lovely, Anakin. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Swing? Same time, but we're not matching.
You will be, hold on.
Wow, I want to go higher, but I've got one hand.
Well, hold on,
Oh my. Ah, here we go. Why?
We're so out of sync.
Come on. Let's just swing higher.
That looks
Oh,
rad.
that's going too fast.
Bloody heck.
Hello, you. Fancy seeing you here. Not expecting that.
Pretty epic.
Yeah, I know, right? The waves are a bit like on
Thinking.
clinking, yeah. Push more. Maybe less intense.
So what do you think overall of
Tembeling Beach, I think it's lovely.
beautiful?
Swings are really cute, and they have the natural pool over there, which we're going to check out in a sec.
Yeah.
Not, you know,
If you're after a beach, it's not the place to go.
yeah, if you'd have to like want to swim quite a lot, then probably not the best, because it is quite, there's lots of stones, you know, it's not a like a powdered sugary type of sand, is
Relaxing
it?
beach,
Yeah. But it is really beautiful.
It
So
is.
you definitely need to come here. Very picturesque.
Worth it with the drive or not?
With the drive we did, question, well,
If you manage to go the right way, it's worth it.
yeah, I mean it was worth it. I feel like it was worth it because it's our first time coming here and everything, but
Yeah.
if we hadn't found that guy, I would have thought
No.
probably not.
Do seem to get lucky with having things to ourselves, don't we?
I know.
Don't know how, but this is empty. These are
Yeah.
natural pools, aren't they?
These are the natural pools.
It is super cold and super sharp. What do you think?
Oh, that is nice and refreshing, that.
That is nice and refreshing.
Go on my knees.
Get up to your knees.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's really nice. Sit down. I'm going down.
I'm gonna have to.
Come on. There we go.
Oh, that's cold.
Go on, sit down. What's that for? Like a hippo coming out of the water. Refreshing though, isn't it? Oh yeah, juicy queen.
Well worth it. Is it salt water then? No.
I don't think so. No, it's coming from those tubies.
Nice.
Got the ocean.
Some fruits of labour in the water.
Yeah, if you get a bit hungry. No, I'm joking. I'm gonna go through over there again. There's another side of the beach and there's more swings over there actually, isn't there?
Is there? Oh yeah, there is. So yeah, guys, another swing. Perfect for the photo ops. And some pretty cool rock stacking. It's actually stairs here.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a cool little point, isn't it?
Can
Eh?
we take a picture?
Yeah, let's take a picture. So guys, overall, Tembeling Beach gets a massive thumbs up from us.
Definitely calm here when you can, if you come to Nusa Penida. It is so beautiful. I know some people left reviews saying it's a bit, you know, there's a lot of debris from the floodings and stuff, but it's still totally worth coming here. You know, it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Instagrammable spots and
which is the main thing.
Yes.
So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what you think of this place. Would you come here or not? Let us know in the comments.
Let us know.
And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
See you next one.
Bye.